Here we go. Start with the finest 2 autographs per box. 6 packs, 10 cards. 2 autos per box. Oh, that's gonna be my phone. I asked my wife if she wants to bring me home some Taco Bell. She's at the movies right now with my daughter. And for some reason, I have a weird craving for Taco Bell right now. It's been long enough since the last time I ate Taco Bell for me to forget about it. Just want to poison myself tonight. Hey, Matthew, sorry the feed cut out for like half a second when it started, but we should be good now. Just want to, oh my God. Never mind, Mike. Bad luck on your Hornets, all right? Bad luck. I hope we pull a card for you and it's got a big scratch across the front of it. All right, good luck, everybody. Finest has common, uncommon, and rare. This is the common with the stripe. I'll show you guys what the uncommon looks like in a second. We got Austin Reeves on the common X-Fractor. Oh my God, 76ers. 5 out of 5. Black, Jared McCain. Rare. Sheesh. I thought this was VJ Edgecombe for a second, but we'll take it. 5 out of 5 to the Sixers. Jesse Moyer starting it off for us. 5 out of 5. Yeah, well, you started it, Mr. Formick. All right. You started. Don't start something you can't finish, bro. Oh, rival for the Hornets to 150. Liam McNeely. That's not the guy. That's not the guy. These are the uncommon with the circle pattern and the horizontal stripe. And then the rare is like this with the stripe and the circle. There's a rare Shaq. Mark Williams, oil slick. Bronny James to 200. Derek Queen, new arrivals. Anthony Edwards, finishers. Zachy, oil slick for Atlanta. Denny, silver for the Blazers. Nolan Traore, first. And our first auto goes to the Clippers. Yannick. Rookies, a refractor auto. Clippers going to Jeff Michael. Cade Cunningham, oil slick, Pistons. OG out of 150 with the Knicks. Oil slick, Derek White for the Celtics. And come on to 200 for the Suns. Derek Queen, arrival, silver. Should have one more autograph, right? Where the hell is it? Noah, oil slick. Josh Giddey, where the hell is this auto? Okay, here we go. Baseline Brooks, Barnheiser for the OKC Thunder on the baseline autograph. OKC going a chance. That's box number 1 of finest. Question for the chat. Who wants to run a 2-box Topps Finest pick your team now? Or not pick your team. Random. Sorry. Screwed up my question. Let's start over. Who wants to run Topps Finest random? Show of hands. Let me know. I feel like random's more fun in NBA this year. Give everybody a chance to hit that Maverick spot. Huge, huge Maverick spot. Here, Matthew, thumbs down. You didn't even join this break. The Celtics were open for mad long in this break, and you didn't even join it. So what are you talking about? You know, I wasn't gonna say anything, but now that you thumbs down over here, my genius idea. I did. Your Celtics were open for a hot minute on this break. Where were you? I did pick your team just for you. Literally, I was like, should I do pick your team? Should I do random? I was like, Matthew B said he really wants to pick your team. I'm gonna do it just for him. Pick your team. Yeah, you know, if I could do something about the price tag, I would. But you already know these are expensive ass boxes. Thankfully, I got him a good deal on them. I could just give the best price I possibly can. But everybody was tagged, Matthew. What are you talking about? You must have me on ignore. That's the only answer. You probably got me on ignore, bro. Gotta be. All right, here we go. Box 2 of finest. Good luck. Stephen Castle on the oil slick for San Antonio. Hey, let's go. That should cover some of that spot, Josh. 42 out of 150 on the Cooper flag. Rare, baby. Not the common, not the uncommon. That's the rare right there. Let's go. Some Cooper flag action before we even get to the tops 3. Augusol Muse. We got Julius Randle on the oil slick, Desmond Bain silver, and Carter Bryant on the arrivals to 150 for the Spurs. Going to Travis. Flag auto coming. Seen a lot of numbered flags followed by an auto. I hope you're not making that up. That'd be sick. Nowitzki for the Mavericks. James Harden to 200 for the Clippers. Hornets auto. Zion James. Heartbreaker. Zion James for the Hornets. We pulled a sick Concanupo auto from Finest. We posted it on our Instagram. Guys, if you're not following our Instagram, Nasrita 250, go follow us. Oh, how about a case hit pulse, baby, from the loose box special? Let's go! Second pulse case hit from the loose box SGA, baby. Thunder with a huge hit here, going to Chance. Sheesh. SGA on the polls. Even the dog's excited. Biscuit, quiet. Damn. Biscuit, quiet. Sorry, good. Gotta yell at the dog. Damn. Guys, do I get the best loose boxes or what? Woo. I don't even know how to put these on. We're not even at the top 3 yet. Let's go. Quadruple base. Embiid, Slick, Fears, Refractor. First Cooper Flag and a Kobe Bray auto baseline. Missed the auto spot by one card there, Cooper Flag. The 99 for the Suns. Going to Jeff Page. These are nice autos. I really like this design here for the auto. Sheesh, bro. Sheesh. Cam Thomas. SGA to 350. And Micah Peavy on the first. Guys, we're ready to rip some tops 3. We're not done yet. We are not done yet. No, no, no. Man, I'm freaking hungry. Guys, what am I going to order from Taco Bell? Tell me. Give me some ideas. Got to top load all Cooper Flag and Canupo because their base cards are going for money. Not a ton of money, but 20 bucks. 20 bucks. Little James Harden action there. All right. Are we ready, guys? Are we ready? Quesarito. The hell is that? Taco 12 pack and a gordita box. Dude, what do you think? I'm an animal? Jeff, that's right. Even Biscuit's pumped. Get Biscuit some Cine Twits. I don't think he could have those, bro. All right. Okay. Sure, he'd love it. Give him some vanilla ice cream here and there. He'd carry that shit. Or some whipped cream. All right. Here we go, guys. High-end basketball. All right. This is a $1,500 box. Go look it up if you don't believe me. This box costs a lot of money. All right. I kept the break as cheap as I can. Thankfully, I got a good deal on this, and I bought them before they went even higher. But no, I did not get them from Topps. Here we go. Number 1. Oh, redemption. Oh, my God. We got another bonus auto here, looks like. We're going to save the redemption. We got another redemption, guys. Here we go. First hit, Chris Middleton, 5 out of 15. 3 and D. Going out to the Washington Wizards, 5 out of 15. Chris Middleton going to Jeff Michael. Three and D. Not 3D. 3 and D. Second card from the right side should be an autograph, right? 13 out of 49 going out to the T-Wolves. Joan Behringer, rookie relic auto, 13 of 49 going to the T-Wolves. Anthony Vargas. On the patch auto. It says player worn memorabilia. Very nice. Timberwolves going to Anthony. Oh. Hold on, guys. Somebody's at my door. My wife just saw my message about Taco Bell. Damn it. She's not going to get it. Can't talk. I'm live on a break. All right, here we go. Next card. Auto again. Wizards again. Wow. Jameer Watkins. Rookie verse auto. Wizards hitting big out of the 3. 5 out of 15. Jeff Michael. And one more card, guys. We got a redemption. Open this damn box. Last redemption was Kevin Durant out of 5. Who's it going to be tonight, boys? Thunder Dunk Signatures base. It's base. Cooper Flag. Larry Johnson for the New York Knicks. Going out to Sean Patrick. New York Knicks, Larry Johnson, Thunder Dunk base, though. Josh, I'm happy we pulled this Cooper Flag numbered card out of Finest. My goodness. Guys, that is our break. Thank you so much. Let's do a recap here. Appreciate everybody here on the live stream hanging out with us. Tarka will be live later for Prism Football. He's got that coming up. His Stadium Club breaks filling in. I got Bowman Draft filling in. If you guys want to go check out the breaks that are open, go look in the group because I don't have the link posted here. All right. I just posted the wrong thing. Anyways. Here we go. Recap. Top hits and autos. Yannick for the Clippers. I know, right? That's weird. That's on the Knicks. Sorry, man. Kobe Bray, baseline auto to 99. Brooks Barnheiser, baseline auto for the Thunder. Sion James auto for the Hornets. Patch auto for the T-Wolves. Joan Behringer to 49. Rookie verse, Jameer Watkins for Washington. Larry Johnson on the Knicks. At least it's a base one. You can't be too upset. 5 out of 15. Chris Middleton, 3 and D. Jared McCain, 5 out of 5. SGA on the case hit pulse. And Cooper Flag to 150 here. Other hits of the break. Oil Slick, Stephen Castle. Got James Harden at 200. Canoopel base. Cooper Flag first base. Jeremiah Pierce refractor. SGA 350. First PVX fractor. Bronny James 200. Kaman 200. Nasri 250. Mark Williams slick. OG 150. Carter Bryant 150. McNeely 150. And our other slicks. Thompson, Embiid, Zachary, Noah, Cade, Derek White, and Julius Randle. Couple of sick hits out of Finest there. And couple of sick autos out of Tops 3. Thanks so much, everybody. More Tops 3 and Finest coming up this weekend. Look out for the posts. Check the group tomorrow if you want to get down. All right? Peace.